Selective catalytic reduction technology is used to convert harmful pollutants like nitrogen oxide into harmless carbon dioxide and water. In this video, we will discuss the chemistry behind the selective catalytic reduction. Hi, this is Rajyavardhan Singh and I welcome you all to Liberation IAS. Further in this video, we will also discuss about the AdBlue fluid. AdBlue is basically diesel exhaust fluid and it is urea, aqueous form of urea. So what is this SCR, selective catalytic reduction? It is an advanced emission control technology, and this technology it is used in power plants, boilers, marine vessels, and now in diesel engines. So why are we studying SCR? We are studying SCR because Supreme Court has banned the manufacturing of BS4 vehicles, and the RTO also cannot register BS4 vehicles from April 2020. So in order to upgrade the diesel cars, the BS4 diesel cars to BS6 diesel cars, we have to use this SCR unit with the diesel engines, selective catalytic reduction unit. It shall be used with the diesel engines to make them BS6 compliant. The major pollutants that are emitted by the exhaust of engines, they are nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. So the idea is to reduce the pollutants emitted by the exhaust of engines into harmless components like CO2 and H2O. So this SCR technology, it can reduce nitrogen oxide emissions by up to 90%. And this technology is used with BS6 diesel engines, because of which the price of BS6 diesel engines it has gone up. And for this reason the companies they have started to phase out the diesel engines and they are making only the petrol variant of the cars. So what are the benefits of using SCR? By using this technology, nitrogen oxide emissions they can be reduced by up to 90%, and the hydrocarbon and carbon monoxide emission they can be reduced by up to 90%, in the range between 50% to 90%, and the particulate matter they can be reduced by 30 to 50%. So the benefit of using SCR technology they are huge. Now we shall look into the chemistry of SCR technology. In SCR technology, a reducing agent it converts nitrogen oxide in the presence of a catalyst into harmless nitrogen and water. Nitrogen and water they are natural components of the atmosphere, and the reducing agent that is used is ammonia. So the final reaction it is something like this. Ammonia it reacts with nitrogen oxide in presence of some catalyst, and the catalysts are vanadium and tungsten oxides. So in the presence of catalyst, ammonia reduces the nitrogen oxides into harmless nitrogen and H2O. The catalyst uses vanadium or tungsten oxide coated on the substrate of titanium. So the reducing agent in this reaction is ammonia. And in SCR units we cannot use ammonia directly, and for that reason we use aqueous solution of urea, and urea acts as a source of ammonia. So this aqueous solution of urea is known as AdBlue. So this AdBlue is our diesel exhaust fluid and its rate is 127 rupees per liter. So this is the final reaction. In the first reaction what will happen, this AdBlue liquid aqueous solution of urea it will be mixed with the exhaust of the engine, and by mixing the urea with the exhaust of the engine, ammonia and CO2 will produce. So ammonia will be produced in the first reaction and CO2 will be produced. CO2 will escape from the engines, and this ammonia it will then react with nitrogen oxides. This ammonia will reduce nitrogen oxide into harmless nitrogen and H2O. So this is a schematic diagram of SCR technology. This is the diesel engine and the exhaust containing hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxides and particulate matter. It will first go to the DPF unit, diesel particulate filter. This filter will remove 85% of the soot, and then the exhaust it will be put into the SCR unit. This is the DEF tank. It contains AdBlue liquid. This AdBlue will be injected into the chamber where it will be mixed with exhaust. So here the reaction 1 will take place. AdBlue and exhaust, it will release ammonia plus CO2. So when we will mix the AdBlue with exhaust, then the ammonia and CO2 will be produced, and then in the reaction second, in the presence of SCR catalyst, which is vanadium and tungsten, the reaction 2 will occur where the ammonia will reduce nitrogen oxides into nitrogen and water, which are harmless to the environment. So this is all about the SCR technology. In order to reduce the harmful pollutants into the harmless component, we use the SCR technology, and in order to use this technology, we have to spend a little extra. So that is why the prices of diesel engines have gone up, and companies have started to phase out the diesel engines, and they are making only the petrol variants which are compatible with CNG also. So this is all for today. If you have any doubt, please give your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.